Hey everybody, what's up? This is Stephen KC Ralphan here, and this is going to be a bit of a layout update on what's new to layout, because I haven't done like a layout update in quite some time now, so I would like to show you guys like stuff I've been doing to the layout that's new, and also have a couple of new rolling stock I'd like to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started with the layout update of March. Alright, so first off with the layout, I now have decided I'm going to go back to like collecting some tracks so I can continue work on like some like new track I'm getting. So like here I'm now working on the second main line. So I got some more Bachmann Easy track, which is the steel alloy. And I know that steel alloy is actually much cheaper compared to the nickel silver, but I know that steel alloy can rust sometimes. But sometimes you can just clean it off with like a track cleaner or put some new rail joiners and stuff. So here's my CP train going by. This is like the current process it is. It's current because I only ordered 2 packs of them, so that means that's like a total of 8 track. It also had like a spare track as well. So basically, all I need is I'm gonna have to get a couple like 22-inch curves to go around here and such. And I'm gonna continue making the main line go out here to like right up over there and such. So it's just gonna make another set of 22-inch curves from here, and they'll go out here to all the way end out there. So then I'll put like a turnout switch, like a number 5 turnout switch, put somewhere around here to complete the main line. So here it is now. I can give you a good look at it. So that's basically how it is. I think it turned out pretty nice, and I think it's gonna look really good. So I'll show you guys. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty nicely. So I'm definitely decided I'll be getting some more tracks so I can complete the main line, and then I can work on more track. Like I'll probably focus on the yard, the engine facility, and get those done. So yeah, so it's good that I'm now back to collecting some tracks. So that's what I've been doing to the layout. So I'll show you guys like what's new to the layout next. Alright guys, so some new stuff I have that's brand new to the layout is I have a couple new things that are brand new. So first off, I have a new freight car. This is the Intermountain by the Value Line. So this right here I have is a 50-foot Gunderson High-Q boxcar. I have the CP rail right here. Yeah, it looks really nice. I think Intermountain did actually a great job. This is actually probably one of the cheapest rolling stocks I could find from Intermountain. It was like only like $20. So it's really cool. I'll show you the other side. All the great detail, like brake wheel detail. It's got some details like bolded, but I don't really care. And here's one side. I'll show you this side. It's got the KD couplers, which is pretty nice. Absolutely really stunning. And I heard these cars are actually really good, so I couldn't resist and I got myself on the CP rail so I could expand for my Canadian Pacific train. So, yeah. Moving on. This is actually another new release from Athearn. This is an Athearn ready-to-roll car. This is their newest run of the 50-foot tank cars. So let me just turn it around real quick. There it is. It's the RTC 20K General Service tank car. My example is in the Procore scheme. So with the red striping. I got this one because, as you know, I see lots of like Procore tank cars, and usually they're pretty common, like usually mostly around BNSF, UP, and the CP. So it's pretty nice. It's got the red striping, and then I love how it says chlorine, because this tank car is known to carry chlorine. So basically, it's a toxic chemical. And it's got lots of great details, like in case of emergency, you just call the number right there. The placard's super nice. Here, we'll get a close detail. Oh, sorry about that. I'm gonna try. Wait for my camera to focus there. There we go. 1017, and this lets you know that chlorine is actually a toxic chemical. So let me show you more detail. And here's the top detail. So yeah, it's pretty nice, but as you know, some parts are usually not, they're still plastic and not metal. So if you're gonna, so I usually would like to, whenever I take them out, I just usually just put my hands on this side, so just to prevent damage to them. So after all, it's a pretty nice car. So moving on, these two are also new. These are from Bowser. These are basically 100-ton coal cars. These are, both of them I have are basically Sioux Line, which are former Western Pacific cars. One has the blue end, this one here, as you can see. But it's basically a little bit of a lightish blue. And right here, this one has the white end. So this is pretty cool. So I got these. Those will be perfect for the CP train that I'm making. So yeah, they're really nice. I'll show you the interior of them. It's pretty cool, but even though they don't come with a coal load, but it doesn't really matter. So I'll show you the interior. So yeah, those are basically what's new to layout. These are some new rolling stock I have. I haven't got any new locomotives recently. So, but I do plan on getting some new locomotives sometime in the future, hopefully. Like, cause, you know, next month in April, the Scale Train's second run of their Dash 9s is coming. So I have the C40-9 top hat on pre-order. So I'll look forward to that. That's possibly coming in late April or so. Cause I thought it was gonna come to like usually like possibly February, but it's now scheduled for April now. So got some new rolling stock and the new track. So yeah, those are some updates to the layout lately and of what's going on. Because I just want to update you guys on what I've been doing lately. So yeah, so that's all. That's what I want to share with you guys today. All right, so that's basically a wrap up the layout update for the month of March. So I know it's probably been some time since I last did a layout update because most videos I've been doing are just like of just me running some trains and such, and I finally decided to get some more work done, like get some more new track and then also a couple new rolling stock, and I might think about getting some more locomotives as well, like possibly some more NS power, maybe I could get some BC rail as well because I do love the BC rail. And so yeah, I'm still gonna be collecting trains as of now, even despite of this COVID-19, because as you know, COVID-19 is becoming an issue lately, because you know, there's people panicking and like going to like grocery stores and like ordering like toilet paper, sanitizer, and food and all that stuff. So, and I know that the coronavirus is like impacting the United States, but however, I'm still gonna go strong, and I'm doing well, and I'm still here, able to make some videos. So some update going on with the channel, because I'm still gonna continue making videos, because I don't know, but don't know how like rail fanning is gonna go. Like I don't know if I'm still able to like go out and do some rail fanning and stuff, because there's some like stay-at-home orders coming around. Even one coming around the Kansas City area is also gonna be in effect. It's gonna be in effect until like late April or so, because the governor is trying to like slow the spread of the coronavirus, or also known as COVID-19. So I just want to let you guys know I will still try to make videos as much as possible, and then we hopefully that the COVID-19 will actually end. So, and maybe I might do some rail fanning videos, depending if it's possible or not. Because as you know, stay at home doesn't mean you have to be at home. Because you know there are sometimes you have to go out and stuff, like such as like you can also be out like to like do grocery shopping, or basically go out for walks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do the best I can. Hopefully I can do some rail fanning and then get some rail fanning videos out. But I will also still continue to do the like model railroading videos and still collect trains and stuff and such. So yeah, and I also will also continue to buy some more track and do some work so I can get all the track I need. So yeah, basically that's gonna basically wrap up for this layout update and basically a little bit of channel update. So I'm still gonna make some videos out to you guys so you guys can enjoy and make more better videos. So that's all I really want to share with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you can subscribe if you're brand new to my channel, because I post lots of great videos around stuff like model railroading and rail fanning and such. So yeah, so let's pray that we fight through this coronavirus and pray that the coronavirus will end soon. So that's basically it I want to share with you guys. So thank y'all for watching. I'll leave you guys with a run by the CP train in action. So there you go. So with like the new rolling stock I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, so that's all I want to share with you guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time. May God bless and stay healthy. Let's pray that COVID-19, or aka known as the coronavirus, will come to an end. See you guys. Bye.